Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the error is your data is not backup. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, now you can see data. In my case is a array shows that your data is not backup. Add a backup account now. So I have already added account, but this message is appear. So how can fix this type of error? Let's start. Now click on this error. Now you can see that add a account. So click on add account. Now after doing this step, enter your account, or if you have already have an account, otherwise you can create a new account. So I have already, so enter your password. Now this is a verification process, so select the verification procedure. After entering a verification code, click on next button. Now you can see data turn on backup. So click on it, click on term and conditions. Click on skip button, click on turn on. After that, backup will be started, and now you can see that the error has gone. So this is a way to resolve this issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.